My mom also carried me to take a bath because I was too sleepy. My eyes are black. Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about my field trip. I'm excited for this. So we bought in Pure Gold the stuff that we needed, and then my mom cooked me the corned beef and the egg that I already ate. So I bought grapes, corned beef, rice, chicken nuggets, and hot dog. I woke up at 3 a.m. My mom prepares the food and that I won't get hungry at the field trip. Then we ride a car to Tahan na Cafe. When I came, I met Teach Carla, Teach Dea, Teach Wen, Teach Yan, and all other teachers. And then I got this one. And then after I get my stuff, I do my quests. And now I'm preparing for my tasks. I have to picture with the whole entire learners, teachers, and then I meet Pio and Pia. And then after I meet all other students and teachers, the bus came. And then I got on the bus and I sat all the way at the back. I have to share food with a kid and with a friend. My teacher introduced me to Royan, my partner. I have to picture with a class with my partner. I told Royan to go to the back of the bus with me to have fun together. And Royan used a chair for a slide. And then I copied him too. And we had fun. And the driver is our captain. That's how the tourist guide introduced the bus stopped after 2 hours for no reason. But I didn't know it was actually food break. And then I saw Isaiah and Cassidy, my grade 2 classmates. But the line was too long, so we got out the bus and just played. So our first destination is Mabini Shrine.
Dito, so makita po natin is more on about po kay Apolinario Mabini. So mamaya, 7 calories po yan.
Wow, that's fun.
And a few minutes later, we're now entering the Mabini Shrine. I'm so excited! But it seems boring when I went inside. It's all about history, writing, and there's a lot of pictures. But I know this is very important. He is Apolinario Mabini, utak ng Himagsikan, Queen of the Revolution. Since there's a lot in the shrine, I'll show you this video.
Okay. By the time po ni Apolinario Mabini, meron po siyang naibigan na babae na nagngangalan po. Ito po yung kanyang pangalan na babae na si Lorencilla Casero. So nung time po na yan, mapapansin niyo po, this was his handkerchief. So yun po ang ibinibigay ng kalalakihan noon na para po kayo ay magkaroon na or kung meron po kayo pagtingin sa babae. Nagkakuhan nila po natin yung iba. It was the meeting of Emilio Aguinaldo and Apolinario Mabini. And this painting, we interpreted na ito po'y inaalok po ulit ni Apolinario Mabini ay ni Emilio Aguinaldo na bumalik po si Apolinario Mabini sa kanyang gabinete. At by nung time na yun, ginagawa po siyang punong hukom. At nung time po na yun, na inaya po ni Aguinaldo si Apolinario Mabini na siya po ay maglingkod. So ang sinagot po, total katotohanan ang gusto mong malaman. Handa na po ba? Ayun po ang sinabi ni Apolinario Mabini, handa na po ba ang mga Pilipinong malaman ang katotohanan na hindi mapipikon? At since katotohanan din lamang ang inyong hanap, ang tinanong niya po kay Emilio Aguinaldo, ano ang dahilan sa pagkamatay ni Antonio Luna? Which is ang isinagot po ni Emilio Aguinaldo sa kanya, huwag ngayon kaibigan. Doon po natapos yung question na yun. Which is nung time po na yan, marami na po kasing nangyari nung pagpapamatay. Pagdating po, actually po sa dalawang magkapatid, nangyari na po yan. Kay Procopio and Andres Bonifacio. And this painting naman po, makikita niyo po yung pagtawid nila sa River of Pangasinan, na kung saan po kapatid niya po ang nagbuhat nung time na to. Kasi po, kung tutusin ninyo, kapatid mo siya, so kailangan mo siyang alagaan. So,
We Filipinos should know what happened to our country.
ito po yung Mason na sinasabi ko po sa inyo. That is the Mason fraternity, na kung saan po kasapi din po ang KKK. And question po, ano po ba ang meaning ng KKK? Kataas-taasan? Kagalang-galangan? Okay. The proper is kataas-taasan, kagalang-galang, katipunan ng anak ng mga bayan. That is the proper term of KKK. So bakit po ba nagsabi ang KKK? Alam niyo po ba, during the time of Mason fraternity, bago po kayo sumapit sa KKK, you need to be a part of a Mason fraternity. So, pasok po kayo. Ayan. So dito naman po at this area, si Diodato Arellano. Siya po ang nagtatag ng KKK sa may Nagtahan, Manila. So bakit po ba napalitan si Diodato Arellano? Kasi nga po, sinabi nga po ni Andres Bonifacio na kulang nga daw po sa leadership si Diodato Arellano. So that's why pinalitan po ni Andres Bonifacio si Diodato Arellano at doon na po noong May 30, 1896, doon po nakilala si Andres Bonifacio bilang ama ng Katipunan na kung saan po doon niya po pinunit ang sedula, sibat at ang rifle. So ito naman po. Sa inyo kanina yung kwento, tuloy ko lang po yung kwento sa baba. So ito po yung sinasabi natin na Cuba. Ayan. So dito po sila, actually tinulungan nila ang mga Cubano para po mapatalsik ang mga Spaniards nung time po na sila ay sinakop. So ito yan, pwede nyo pong pindutin yung mga buto na yan para po umilaw. Ayan. Sa Laguna de Bay or Dewey View, na kung saan po, ito po yung sinasabi ko po sa inyo, Sangley Point. Yan. So ito po yan, nandito po siya sa mapa. Ito po. So ito po, kung mapapas language barrier, nung time na dahil nga po hindi tayo nagkakaintindihan with the Americans and the Filipino. So nung time po na nakita nila yung tatlong katipunero na yun, ang ginawa po ni William Garrison is pinahinto niya. Kung sinabi pong hold, huminto ka. So nung time po yun na yun, yung tatlong katipunero na yun is sumugot po ng rifle at nagpaputok. At nung pagpaputok po nila, hindi po tinamaan yung mga American soldier na yun. Which is isa nga po sa magaling si William Garrison as a marksman, isang bala lang po tinamaan niya po yung isang katipunero at namatay. At nung time po na linitis si William Garrison ni General Douglas MacArthur, alam niyo po ba kung ano lang po ang kanyang excuse doon sa pagbaril na katipunero na yon? Ang sinabi niya po, nakabaril lang siya ng baboy damo. Si Panday Pira. Yun po ang gumagawa ng ano natin, ng canyon natin during the time of Spanish, Philippines. Ito po yung sinasabi ko po sa inyo, the comeback of the American nung time na yun, which is the Balagiga Massacre. So nung time po na bumalik ang mga Americans na yun, so this what's happened sa mga bata. Some of them beheaded, some of them firing squad ang nangyari. So ito po naman yung sinasabi ko po sa inyong kinuha ng mga Amerikano, which is the Balagiga bells. But they actually made from wood. Hindi po siya totoo. Yeah. So yung isa pong bell is nakuha na po natin at nasa pangangalaga na po ng mga Duterte, and yung isa naman po nasa National Historical Institute. Bakit nga po pala hindi si Dr. Jose Rizal ang nakalagay dito po sa 1 peso bill natin? Actually po pumasok lang po kasi si Dr. Jose Rizal during the time of the Americans. Ang nag-proclaim po sa kanya being a national hero is si William Howard Taft. So during the time po ng mga Spaniards, mas kilala po si Apolinario Mabini.
I hope you learned something, guys. Also, I bought a blue drink because I'm thirsty. And after I'm done drinking my water, I go to the bus now. Sit back on the back seat with my friends Pia, Royan, Cassidy, and Isaiah. And the bus started, and then we go to our next destination, Sea Castle!
You're so beautiful.